Hadian balas tang kajingiki baklam bopor ka JHTOA Truck Owners Association nado kandil tarik udisi ka East JHTOA District USSCMD ula khode kerani kini ki arliang mamla ha conference office rekam jungu ha cleariat ha kajingelang bala bentar ki karkhana khyndaw-bilat hapo kalama joka all JHTOA Cement Manufacturers Association mat kaseng JHTOA Truck Owners Association kajingikran joki kamsyam la seisoh AA Habalakot kajingelang Presiden ke AJCMA URK Parek Ulaong lada kedang beteng ya kajing yaki nak liang jengki kum kiba penya iki karkhana kimbansi ban khangno Upawan Joshi ubalong sekretari ke AJCMA uang kumba menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi ukwa ban pendro ya kajela kathan mingi ladan bun bagi projek balatrai di hendai kajing sangai kit khyndaw-bilat kala kata bahaya kajing pentrai wat kibatrai ha kajela kamjo Nakaliang Presiden ke JHTOA uni daman chulat ulaong bana kada baklami kanu kajing seisoh hakan ni kajing lang kumta kaseng kanyang skam hakan nongrem ban pedeng ni kajing ki lada omyo ya kajing dawa.
Sir, the strike has been, we come to know the strike report through the only media, newspaper. That's and after that we approached to the authority DC. He has called the urgent meeting on 4th. On that 4th, it has been decided, okay, we will discuss the meeting, etc., but nothing is been happen. Again, DC has called a meeting today. Certain demands what they are making, we have already given the payment to them as per the discussion made, as per the government of the notifications, Meghalaya, that loading in Meghalaya and unloading in Meghalaya will be paid accordingly. Now they are telling 0 point etc., which we don't remember. There was no such discussion previously about the 0 point etc. However, we have made a commitment in writing. If previously there is some less dispatch in particular in Barnihar, that around 700 ton per day, which we have agreed about 1100 metric ton per day. And on the basis of that, the plant has been, discussion has been made. Now, today's discussion, we have also agreed today that if they are not agree, we will discuss among our members to increase further more quantity to dispatch in Barnihar. But sir, this is purely depends on the department of the market. This is not necessary, just we are to dispatch whatever the quantity is needed as per the association. This is as per the requirement of the market. We can dispatch whatever they like if the consumption is more. In Meghalaya only 8 to 10% cement consumption. And our lot of the cement is going for outside. Anyway, that the present DC has agreed about the 6 persons from the association side, and from our side we will discuss among them. Tomorrow again we will sit down with the DC and we try to come on the conclusion. Yeah. They have stopped all the vehicles, cement and clinker on the way. Even that, certain raw materials vehicles was coming from the outside. They have also been stopped. And if these will be not been allowed by the government, which this thing or by them also, this industry will suffer a lot, may close also.
Largely impact in entire northeast region, because as you know, the motive of Prime Minister Modi is to focus on northeast, and so that's why lots of infrastructure projects are going on. And most of the projects are using only Meghalaya produced cement, and all these products has come now on the hold, and it has affected largely. Even we are receiving phone calls from the ministers from different projects here regarding supply of the cement, when it will be done. Even in Meghalaya also, the people who are from Shillong and all, they are also suffering badly because it is a dry season and lots of construction work goes on. So entire northeast is suffered badly with this strike.
To dewu buram yo disi da chimkhia u khut igni meeting yong on ne hai ni hat kamera yang kihi wada himkiau ukut ugi semen factory ugi JHTOA ta nagadaw wa pembat kini ga kita kador wa sarkari karu kam tegam idangu continue being strike na like perpari pajba le yu cha gi jingkhot ugani pembat ki da kular gi menstep pembat ugani gi semen factory wi chong menstep ki hadin yang menstep yo pat ki gua pembat yang ki talada bat ki andre ye ka wang strike lanam bat ki te continue being strike.
Today we have come up with a conclusion that we had lots of discussion regarding the issues pertaining to the issues. So we have come to the conclusion that the demand has to be met, and tomorrow we'll have a meeting along the Cement Factory Association. We'll have a agreement that is they do and don't, like what they cannot do, what they can do. So after that, I hope that it will be settled, it will be final and binding. Actually today we have put the point with the during a meeting. We are the locals, we are deprived of business opportunities we are getting. Actually what has happened, if they are not giving us an opportunity, where will we go? Where will we go for business? Should we go to UP? Should we go to Punjab? Should we go to Assam? If we don't have that right and justice to do a business, why should they interfere? Why should they have all the fun and have all the business opportunity here?